Hello everyone, hope you guys are well. I want to see you something that look, first of all, my English language is not my mother tongue, so it could be hard for me to explain about hilltopads traffic site. I don't recommend this site anymore because they are I want to say they are thief. They will send you bot traffic, all bot traffic. As you know guys, hilltop have two systems, advertiser and publisher account. I have tried by their same their I use their publisher account to promote with this advertiser account. I have another sites of publisher. I got I tried to take traffic on their smart link. Here you know that which called the direct link. I took their direct link from here and I used to promote here on the publisher site, advertiser account, and I was deposit $50 from there. Send me 49. It's okay. Let's see my campaign. Here this is smart link or direct link site. Look, they said me that I will get 1000 impressions for $89, sorry, 0.89 cents I will got, but they take from me for 15,000 impression $15. Think again, they take from me 15,000 impressions CPM and take $15, which they are called 89 or 84 cent. They took my money but not give me. Well, they send me 15,000. Let's check here, but no one click on my link. But they said that they saying that they send me 15,000 impressions, but I not get any single dollar. Where if any real person click on my direct link, here should be say 1 cent. There should be add 1 cent for a real traffic person, but I got 15,000 impression. I mean 15,000 people click on my ads in 15,000 impression on my link, but I not getting $1. And here all or more problem that I used other type offers also, that CP offer, home office work CP offer, and it's a dating platform. There this campaign, let's see. I use their tracker to track my conversions here, but they declined. Why I use the tracker, they declined. And when I was try with a dating offer, here also I use the tracker. It's also declined. And there I was put tracker remove. I was removed by tracker and post again this dating offer, but it's cancelled. I don't know why they are do like that. I think their traffic quality is so bad, and traffics are all robot traffic, which call bot traffic. So for they don't allow me to put the tracking. And I was put royal cam, it was approved, but this time I said them by my manager back my money. I do not want to continue here because of look, I got 15,000 impression but not get any single dollar here, single cent here, which I got other side traffic from. I have another publisher account also. Here for per one person for visiting I got 1 cent. And can you imagine, if I got the real 15,000 impressions really, then how much money there was added? But no, they nothing give me there, because of I think their traffic quality is so bad. And the bad thing is, very bad thing is that when I was asked them for give back my money, they have a hard rule about back money, that they cut from me $6 something, and to just refund my money, as they send me to from my 50 when I said that they was send me 15,000 impression for $15 something, and then the balance was $35 near. And I said that I do not want to continue here anymore, back my money. Then my manager cut $6 near, and he give me $28. My total campaign is loss. I think their traffic is all bad, bot traffic. So don't deposit here, don't deposit here. They are scammers. They are scammers. They will take your money but not send good traffic. As the managers also very rude behave with me, that when I was talk about why my ads are not approving, that's you can see here, ads not approving here. Then I said that I will take revenge about against of your site. And she said that you can do anything as you wish. Can you imagine? Their behavior is very bad. I want to suggest you guys that don't deposit Hilltop is a bad traffic site. As I myself I tried. You should also avoid this site. You should guys avoid site, because you see that I took their self publisher account link, and I use there to send traffic, and they send well, good. But why not added there any single dollar? It's a big question on my mind. So please be careful, they are fraud.